Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. So today I have an exciting opportunity for you at Cisco. So which is one of the world's leading networking and IT company. So Cisco is hiring for the role of software development, test and as well as automation engineer. So let's dive into all the details about this role. So what is eligible criteria, who can apply for this and what are all the day-to-day responsibilities are there, what is the application process, and at last we will also give you the tips to ace this application. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the role overview. So this role at Cisco, it is perfect for those with a passion for the software development, networking, and the quality assurance. As a software development, test, and as an automation engineer, you will be working in an environment that encourages the innovation and collaboration, partnering with the multifunctional teams to tackle the existing challenges. So let's explore the key responsibilities of this role. As a part of the software developer team at Cisco, your responsibilities include like collaborating with a highly innovative team to develop and test the software solutions, building and as well as maintaining the automation tools to ensure the top-notch software quality, analyzing, troubleshooting, and also solving the technical problems which are related to the coding and as well as debugging issues, learning and as well as applying the new technologies to enhance the software performance. So if this excites you, stay tuned as we know look into the skills and the qualifications that are required for this role. Now let's talk about the skills and requirements that Cisco is looking for the. So it is looking for the programming proficiency that you need to have a skilled in writing the software in the C, C++, Python, networking fundamentals, a solid understanding of the networking protocols like TCP/IP and related to the technologies is essentially this thing, and technical ability. Cisco values the individuals who can quickly learn and effectively apply the new tools and as well as technologies also. Problem solving skills, strong analytical abilities to troubleshoot and debug the issues are a must in this thing. Wireless networking, a knowledge of understanding the wireless network technologies such as 802.1 and standards, so will set you a part of this thing. Some of the additional skills that will be bonus points if you have a knowledge of data structures and algorithms, experience with the software testing or test automation, and familiarity with the multiple programming languages. So these skills will not only help you to scale the Cisco but also grow you as a well-rounded software engineer. Now let's talk about why you need to choose a Cisco. So by going to Cisco, it is a global leader. It is in IT, networking, and cybersecurity, which is offering the opportunities to work on the cutting edge technologies. So being a part of the Cisco Meraki team will contribute to the revolutionizing their technologies while you will be growing your skills and working with some of the brightest minds in the industry. Now let's talk that tips to apply for this. So there are a few tips from my side to boost your application. Customize your resume to highlight your experience with the C, C++, Python, and networking fundamentals. Include any relevant projects, internships, or certification which are related to the software development, testing, or networking. So demonstrate your problem solving skills with examples of challenges you have tackled in the past. Brush up your wireless networking technologies and test automation frameworks to prepare for interviews also. So Cisco values a candidate's ability to adapt. So emphasize your eagerness to learn the new technologies in your application process. So if you're interested to apply for this, so the link in the description box, when you click on the link, you get redirected to this page and you can simply press on apply button, you can apply for this role. So this is your chance to work with a company that's shaping the future of technology. So if you meet the requirements, don't miss this opportunity to apply for the software development. So let us know in the comment if this role excites you the most, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more amazing updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. Good luck with your application.